How to play songs on Telegram voice chat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can play music on the Telegram voice chat. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure that your Telegram is installed and updated to the latest version. For that you just need to go on the Google Play Store, search for the Telegram, and if it's updated then just log into your account with your phone number. So what you can do is go on the top left side with the three vertical lines here, so that here you will see the very option of Telegram features, settings, and new group. Tap on the new group, and if you do not have, then you need to have the VC music on the Telegram. For that you just need to tap on the music board. So just like this, you have started the music board and you want to turn some music, then you can just say off or on and suggest some music right here, and the music will be turned on the Telegram. So you can also create a group from this music board to other and add other people there, and you can listen to music while having a voice chat on your Telegram. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.